Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So today I'll be showing you how to get rid of the annoying Spotify ads without going premium or installing a modified APK. So let me show you if I have premium or not, since I'm poor. Okay, as you can see, free account, no premium. So to get to block the ads, I mean you cannot block them, but one thing you can do is mute the ads. So we're gonna need this app called Mutify. Seriously. Okay, we're gonna open it up and follow the instructions. So it says enable device broadcast status in Spotify. So click open Spotify and go into its settings. It will be in settings automatically, and then enable this option called device broadcast status. After that, go back. I did it, and then follow the tips. So it says ads playing after you manually change tracks from Spotify cannot be auto detected, so you have to change the tracks from this application, elsewise it won't change, it won't mute the ads. So do read the tips, and if you encounter any delays in auto muting and muting, disable crossfade between songs from Spotify settings. So we're gonna do that also. We're gonna go to Spotify, go to settings again, and find an option called crossfade, and it is off. Okay, then another thing is if you have a low power, low memory device like low on RAM, then you're gonna go to apps, then mutify and disable battery optimization for it, battery, and then battery restriction, battery optimization, and find mutify here, and then don't optimize, and you are done. Then open the app again, and yeah, and these are the all tips. Do read them, and it has dark mode, as you can see, dark mode only. So now we're gonna go mutify ads, and then open Spotify, just play music, and as you can see, it is now been detected. Control, now you can change tracks from here. Did it change? Castle, control, okay, whatever, it just works. So better be at least better than those annoying ads. So yeah, this is it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video with some more tricks. Subscribe.